Hello. Another day, another car. Today I'm working on a Toyota Prius 2018. The customer towed it to the shop because the engine couldn't turn on, and it's a hybrid car, and I put a scanner, but the battery, the small battery, the 12 battery, was dead. It's right here. The location is rear seat, passenger side, under the seat, as you can see right here. I put a jumper on it. It was dead before, and I put a jumper, and I turn it on with the jumper. Let me try and show you. And you can see I have a power on the dash right now, and I can to turn it on the car. It's ready right now to the drive. I'm not sure you can see it or not. The engine is running now. Everything is fine. Just had a code for the collision. That's not for the engine. I'm gonna try to find the code on the engine with the scanner. Let me scan it, the engine module. Read fault code. It doesn't have any code for the engine. Let's go to the hybrid system. Hybrid control. Let's go on this module to see if it has any code. Yes, high voltage battery, interlock circuit high. That's communication, airbag. Let's do clear the code. Yeah, the codes are clear. Let's try again. Last communication with the airbag system control module. That's not the problem that we are looking for. That's not a big deal for this time. Okay, we don't have any issue with the engine running and the hybrid system. As you can see, it worked well. The main issue was the battery, the small battery, not the hybrid battery. The hybrid battery is under the seat, rear seat. This car needs a new battery, and that's it. We found the problem, and I'm gonna try with the new battery. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe, and share this video if you like it with your friend. Thank you so much, guys.